See the light, see the light, see SolarBright.
Hi, I'm Mark Dixon from SolarBright. Today we're at Moore Park Gardens, a premier award-winning residential apartment complex in the inner Sydney suburb of Redfern. It is on the 2.6 hectare site of the historical landmark Resch's Waverley Brewery. The complex incorporates sensitive redevelopment of the existing heritage buildings and integrates new apartment blocks into the complex. The Residents and Strata Committee of the Argyle and Bower buildings have decided to install a 60 kilowatt solar system. SolarBright are solar and battery experts and one of the largest solar installers in New South Wales. Since 2008, we've helped thousands of families and businesses across the state save thousands of dollars off their power bills. As a Clean Energy Council accredited solar retailer, we pride ourselves on delivering the top technology from brands such as LG and Tesla to our customers at affordable prices. SolarBright is installing a 30 kilowatt LG solar system on both the Argyle and Bower buildings in Moore Park Gardens. Each of the buildings is 9 stories tall. Normally for an installation like this, we would use a crane to lift the materials and panels to the rooftop ready for installation. Due to the nature of the site, with a brick paved access road and car park, and the car park being tree lined, that means we could not use a crane on this job. All of the rails, material and the 86 350 watt LG Neon 2 panels had to be manhandled into position. The rails were carried vertically up through the fire stairs and into position in the roof cavity, and the panels had to be taken up to the lift to the 9th story and then carried up 2 flights of stairs into the roof cavity and positioned for installation. SolarBright proposed an LG panel solar system for them.
Moore Park Gardens has a great community atmosphere. With the pool and the gym, there's a lot of interaction between people with different buildings.
Yes.
And the other appealing thing is the location, of course. You're walking distance to the city.
Yeah, everything's at your doorstep.
Absolutely. You barely need a motor vehicle. You've got the bus across the road. You've got a supermarket across the road.
You've been involved with the solar project then from the get-go?
I was, right from the start.
What were your key drivers? Why did you really want to back the project?
My key driver was the climate change issue.
How did you find dealing with SolarBright when you first went to market?
SolarBright were probably, how could you say, the best one to deal with of all. The management have been terrific right from the start. We've had a couple of meetings on site with them, suggesting different alternatives and working down to the final specifications for our installation. And all in all, you cannot fault them in any way. They've been terrific and they've stuck by us during our delays.
SolarBright was selected because of our experience and our ability to deliver projects of this scale. The company has grown from 2 people to now over 20 people with over 10 installation teams working across New South Wales on projects from 6 kilowatts right the way through to 100 kilowatt solar systems. Since 2011, over 700 solar retailers have come and gone in Australia. So when you're looking for a solar retailer, choose wisely. Choose somebody with the history, such as SolarBright.
See the light, see the light, see SolarBright.